Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe to a plan that you've entered or that you've choose into your Shopify, okay? So go into your web browser and go to shopify.com and please log into your account. By the way, the premium that I have here is just a free trial. There you go. And go ahead and go back to settings. That will be on your left panel. And then go back and click the plan. Now you just have to deactivate because as I have mentioned, the plan that I have is still on trial. So I can go ahead and proceed with deactivate trial. But for example, what you have is a basic plan, then it will show up there. Deactivate your basic plan or upgrade it, choose a plan. All right. And once you're done with that, that's it. It's already deactivated and has been unsubscribed. All right. So the I hope that this video helped you a lot and see you in my next video. Okay. Bye guys.